Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum and welcome to our YouTube channel. So our channel shares a lot of variety of ladies collection with you almost every day, so must check out, must be connected with us so that you could enjoy the new varieties, the new collection with us. So what we are bringing today, well, today we have a Nisha by Nishat replica collection, but the quality, the colors, the designs, everything is so very pretty. So check out all the 9 beautiful outfits in this video and place your order as soon as possible because the stock is too short. So let me show you all the beautiful designs. Details are digital 3D printed shirt, lawn fabric, printed lawn dupatta and dyed trouser. Fine quality of fabric has been used. All the codes are very nice, and as you know all, Nisha by Nishat is such a big brand. All the variety of this brand are always very nice. The specialty of this collection that all the suits are 3D printed. Must pick the color of your choice. You're gonna love the fabric, the designs, the colors. Let me tell you the method, the way by which you can place your orders. You can take a screenshot from our video and send us on WhatsApp 0333 4356820 and just go for easy shopping. Check out this code. Let me zoom it a little bit so that you could experience a little bit much better. Our channel will introduce a lot of things in fabric, different brands, different replicas, fancy wears, party wears, lawn, chiffon, cotton, organza, everything you will gonna find here, and some multani collection embroidered suits that will be also introduced by us. So must subscribe our channel so that you could see all the new varieties and new updates. Rates are quite reasonable, so must try to order. And let me tell you, if you are a reseller, then we provide you complete sale. Rates are quite reasonable, so must try to order. And let me tell you, if you are a reseller, then we provide you complete set on wholesale as well. So contact us for wholesale prices as well. This catalog contains 7 dresses. Oh, I'm sorry, 9 dresses. Lighter shades, darker shades. The dresses compiles on both the shades. So that was the 9th last design. Let me show you again, then we will wind up the video. Place your orders. Stock is too short. WhatsApp is 0333 4356820. These are replica dresses by Nishat. Digital printed 3D lawn shirt, lawn printed dupatta, dyed trouser. Hope you liked the collection we shared today. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and share. Subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. Allah Hafiz.